Midwest Picker on YouTube.
Hey, I'm Dave. Welcome to the Midwest Picker YouTube channel. Man, I have so many new subscribers. Thank you if you're new. I've had hundreds of new subscribers just in the last week, so I'm glad you're here. This is an eBay reselling channel. I'm a full-time RN, part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator. So a lot of these sales that I talk about, if you look at my older videos, this video, I don't make a ton of profit, and that's okay. Some things I do make a ton of money. Other things I don't, but that's all right. I don't rely on this as an income. It's just a hobby. In this video, I'm going to talk about cat-related items that I have sold and that other people have sold. Man, I love cat people. Not because they're animal lovers, but because they spend money. They love buying stuff for their cats, which is cool. The items I'm going to talk about, you can find today, right now, garage sales, flea markets, online auctions, doesn't matter. Thrift stores, you can find this stuff and you can flip it for a profit. I used to walk past this stuff and just ignore it. Not anymore. When I learned how much people actually love cats.
I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just want to hug all of them, but I can't hug every cat.
Actually look for this stuff now in thrift stores and flea markets and garage sales. So not only hunting for the treasures that I know about, but now I'm looking for cat-related stuff. First up is this little Fenton cat glass figurine, solid glass, very heavy. I bought 5 of these from my cousin for $5 a piece. For this one, I took a best offer of $27 plus shipping on top. People love Fenton, they love cats, they love Fenton cats. Here's one I sold in the past for $39.95, full asking price. These things sold quickly. I've only got one left. This little guy right here is the last one of the original 5. He does have a little damage. That little green leaf on his neck there, there's another leaf that broke off, so I disclosed that. But this is the last one, and yeah, if it doesn't sell, I wouldn't mind keeping it. Before I get too far into the video, I was going to record a YouTube video, and my GoPro battery was dead. So I put it on the charger, and I went and I mowed the lawn. So while I'm mowing the lawn, we have like red dragonflies here, and one of them was following me around, and it landed on my head. Not sure why. And then he landed on the hood of my mower, so I got this photo of him. So I guess he's like my dragonfly partner, spirit animal. I don't know. Whenever I mow the lawn, there's always one that just follows me around, lands on my head, watches what I'm doing, goes for a ride on the mower. They're kind of fun. Here are some examples of what other people have sold Fenton cat sculptures for good money. Man, those are crazy prices. What about cat sculptures that are not Fenton? Let's check these out. There are other cat-related items like gadgets, toys. What about pet carriers? I'm not talking about those hard plastic ones with like the jail door on the front. They actually sell pet carriers or cat carriers that are soft. You can fold them, collapse them, easy to ship. Check these out. I also sell brooches, all kinds of brooches. Joey, he's got a brooch. Mrs. Midwest Picker's got brooches. I've got some for sale in my eBay store. People like to buy cat brooches too. Check out what these people have sold these cat brooches for in the past. So if you're out and about treasure hunting, flea market, garage sales, don't pass up cat jewelry, cat brooches. They don't have to be gold or silver. They will sell. Cat toys are everywhere. If you can find them new in the package and cheap, buy them. Check out what these people have sold cat toys for. Well, that's the video, guys. Short and sweet. People love their cats and they love to spend money on them. This is Joey. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Glad you're here. Share this video too. If you know anybody that's a reseller that wants to make some money, they're not sure what to source, hit that share button, send it to them, tell them check out Dave and Joey. Until next time, see ya.